Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to ZTE Blade A71. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, in this window, choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now do exactly the same on ZTE. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Oppo and Receive at the bottom of ZTE device. Finally, click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on ZTE, choose one of those options, click on Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to input key, choosing while using or only this time and pointing your device's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!